Hello guys, welcome to your Bitcoin report for this Tuesday, the 7th of the month. Anyway, here's the thing. We want to get right in there, and first we're going to open the charts right here, and we're going to get right in there at Bitcoin Wisdom, and we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin price today. Yeah, just a sec. Okay. Was just making sure I was recording. I've done that before. Recorded a whole show and then realized I didn't hit the record button. Oh, it's a pain in the butt. Anyway, getting on what we're talking about here. I was preparing today to go out and maybe buy a little bit of Bitcoin because I was thinking that the price fell down to $6,900 roughly, and I was thinking that it was going to drop down to 68, 6,700. It surprised me a little bit. It popped up a little bit instead of down. It's only a minor fluctuation in this overall trend. Now, see right here, looking at this chart, it ran down to 68.35. I thought it would continue to drop down here to about probably, I don't know, 6,700 or something, and I was going to run in and buy a little bit. But it went up instead. But overall, it's just a little diddle in the price. It might go down tomorrow or the next day, because if you take a look at the longer range charts here, you'll see exactly what's going on. We've had a low dip in the price here. That was the first buying opportunity. We had a second buying opportunity, a third buying opportunity, and now it's coming down to the fourth buying opportunity. Myself, I'm getting a little bit antsy about it because I realize there's not going to be too many more of these buying opportunities. So I'm kind of looking to get in a little bit. I want a little bit more Bitcoin. But I'm not too anxious because I realize that there might be even better buying opportunities coming up in the next few months. Especially if we get some sort of a deflationary event that occurs because the Fed's withdrawing liquidity from the system. I don't want to be too anxious. I don't want to buy too much Bitcoin at once because if the price goes down a real lot lower, I'll be upset that I paid more than I could have got it for. So, but I'm in the position where I'm trying to build up an amount of Bitcoin because I realize what's going to happen with this down the road. In the not too distant future, Bitcoin is and all the cryptocurrencies are going to do massively well. Let's take a look at cryptocurrency market capitalizations today. What we're looking at is $256 billion with a Bitcoin dominance of 47.7%. Most of the coins are in the green today. There's a few that aren't. IOTA, massively down. This is a great coin. IOTA is a great coin, really. They've had a few little problems, a few little glitches. I did a show on it. But this is a really good rock-solid coin. And another coin I was looking at today that's caught my eye is a coin called Zcash. And I'm going to have a little talk about it. But Zcash is up 2.49%, so you might want to hold off buying a little bit of it just yet. But it's a very interesting looking coin, and we're going to talk about it for a minute right now. Here's the Zcash website right here. Internet money, it says. It says, Bitcoin and most cryptocurrencies compose your entire payment history to the public. Zcash is the first open, permissionless cryptocurrency that can fully protect the privacy of transactions using zero-knowledge cryptography. You know, there's a few niche spots in the cryptocurrency markets and in the cryptocurrency marketplace. There's a niche for coins like Ethereum that are coins that can do smart contracts and things like that. There's a niche for that. There's a niche for savers coins, people who want to hoard and save and have the coin go up in value. Those are coins like Litecoin and Bitcoin. There's a niche for that. And then there's a niche for coins that are protect your privacy of transactions. There's a niche for that too. And those are coins like Monero and Zcash. And so there's going to be a niche for those. So the coins that are going to survive and move to the next level of cryptography are coins that are going to fit a niche market. This coin is fitting into this niche market for privacy, but it also is a savings coin as well because it mimics Bitcoin. As you'll see here, let's take a look at the Zcash, the Wikipedia. It says Zcash is a cryptocurrency aimed at using cryptography to provide enhanced privacy for its users compared to other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. The Zero Coin protocol was improved and transformed into the Zero Cash system, which, when was developed into Zcash cryptocurrency in 2016. Now, there's a couple things I notice about this. There's going to be the same amount of Zcash as there is Bitcoins, ultimately, because evidently it's some sort of a fork of Bitcoin. Well, let's take a look here. We'll go to the Zcash on this. Now, what we're looking at is the volumes and stuff. It's the market capital for this coin right now is $853 million. So it's not a small coin. $853 million market capital. Its volume is $126 million in 24 hours, the last 24 hours. Circulating supply, now this is what gets me right here. Only 4,500,000 of these coins. That's a very, very small circulating supply of these coins. So these coins are quite a rare coin. It's quite a rare coin. It functions like Bitcoin. Let's take a look at this here. This tells us a little bit more of the history. It shows us the charting of the coin. It shows that the coin is not at its highest price range right now. If we take a look back, we see a point here where the price of the coin was up to $851. And you know what that shows you? That shows you the potential of this coin. Now, right now, we're looking at a price, what was it, 189 bucks right now. Let's see. 24 all-time high is $953 was the all-time high, and that was in 2018 for Zcash. And it's a clone of Bitcoin. It has strong privacy at the protocol level. It says Zcash achieves this strong privacy through the use of relatively new cryptographic technique called Zcash snarks. Zcash transaction optionality employs the privacy feature. Thus, there are two types of transactions available: standard Bitcoin-like transactions and shielded private transactions that offer no visible blockchain history. Boy, I like that, and I like that idea, and I like the fact that it's a savings coin like Bitcoin. This coin, to me, looks like it might be one of the winners. Because of it's going to fit the niche mark of privacy, the niche mark. And you're going to find more and more people are going to be going for these coins that fit this privacy, because people are, let's face it, cryptocurrency is an alternative means of value other than the regular banking system, and it's always going to be used for people who want to avoid stuff like taxes and stuff. I mean, just face it, it's going to be used for money laundering and stuff. And there's going to be a niche market for a coin that offers the availability to hide everything. And for these people who want to hide things, this is going to be the coin they're going to go after. So they're going to go after this niche market. And there's a lot of money that might pour into this, and so this might really grow as time goes on. So listen, thank you guys for listening to this report, and I think I might want one of these coins. I might want a Zcash as I'm looking at it here. But anyway, thank you guys for listening. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next show. Bye-bye.